I'm not getting anything.
Oh. Did you connect it with the car? Look, it says no citation.
Oh.
Look, and then Air Transat A330.
I'm not getting anything.
Yeah, sadly.
See YYZ ground tower?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not getting.
Wait, but I hear something.
Silent. Eason for travel.
Tower Brickyard, 3440, ILS 115. Victor 3440, Crown Tower, number 2, CRJ 2 mile.
CRJ.
No, that's a citation. The private jet's a citation. It's a Cessna citation. Oh, there goes the United.
Oh, I'm not getting anything here.
Did you connect it?
No, it's YYZ tower.
Yeah. I think you have to disconnect it.
Ground.
I'm going to send all of this to Mom.
No, don't send everything. Just send one.
I'm going to send like the big boys, like the Air Transat one over there. See that? That's the swoop. The WestJet one.
Why are you still using Marketplace in 2025? This AI-powered app makes selling so much easier. Watch this. Garrett is a neighborhood-focused marketplace where you can buy and sell pretty much anything, and it's free and super easy to use. We
12165.
There goes United. There goes the Cessna citation.
You want to get closer?
Okay, yeah. And there goes the Rouge, the A321 or something. If there's an A380 lining up to take off, I am sending that to Mom. Look, a 777, a 777, a 777. That's a 777 right there. It's an Air Canada 777, the same one that I have at home.
Well, everything is just so expensive right now with
It's
this
full of
inflation.
ads.
I started buying everything on Marketplace to save money.
Marketplace, really? That place is sketchy. I can't trust half the people on it.
Come on, it's not that bad. You find deals sometimes.
Deals?
V1. Rotate. Positive climb. Gear up. There goes the Air Canada Rouge.
I'm waiting only for the big ones.
There's an Air Transat next.
737 Max?
It's an A330, the Air Transat. Right now, it's an A321 by Air Canada Rouge. Next is an A330. And then after this Embraer is gonna be the 777.
You want to get closer?
Okay. Yep.
يلا بس
Can you keep recording it, please?
5230-1759. Airsport 875, turn right direct.
Can you keep recording for me, please? I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Where's your jacket?
Oh, it's down there. Can you hold this for me,
No.
please?
Why?
Because I need to put on my jacket
Finish recording.
after the Air Transat.
767.
That's a 777.
777.
Aw, and then the truck. And multiple cars.
Triple 777.
Look how huge those engines are. The 330 is taking off. 330, bye-bye. 330, goodbye. 6 minutes.
Beautiful one.
Oh, it's taking off. V1. Rotate. Positive climb.
777 is beautiful.
I know. But Boeing is releasing the 777X that has foldable winglets. And look at the paint. It's old.
The paint is old?
Yeah, look at it.
Why?
It's old because of the weather and the salt and all that.
Oh,
And look, there's rust on the engines also. There's also rust on the engines, by the way. And now it's the Embraer. But actually, I want to stay in the car. I changed my mind. I already have a beautiful view of the airplanes.
okay.
Dad, the Air Canada is like the same one I have at home.
Correct.
Same livery, same everything. But without the landing gear. Let's go, Embraer. Wonder what's taking the Embraer so long. Never mind. It's going.
Look at the tail. The tail is moving. See?
Yeah, it's the rudder.
Rudder.
Do you know how the tail is moving? Because of the rudder.
Correct.
It forces like the entire aircraft to move
Alright.
at slow speeds. But when it does at like high speeds, that's when the tail falls out.
You should not use it at high speed.
Yeah, like the American A300 that crashed in 2001. There goes the 777. And next is an A220.
Can you see them on the flight radar?
Sadly, I'm recording. I'm going to send all this to Mom. And you. Look, it's the A220.
Don't send, just if you want to upload them on YouTube, then you send the link.
Triple seven took off. Hear those beautiful, ginormous engines roar. Wait, I could pause the video. There's also another A220 lining up for takeoff.